guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I preserve my curls at night and also how I refresh them on day 3, 4, 5 and so on, however many days you can get out of the style. So that really depends on what product you use. This wash and go is actually using a product that I'm going to show you later in the video. This is day 3. It's holding up okay, but not as good as some other products I've used for wash and goes. Usually I can preserve my wash and goes for 7 days. This one might not quite make 7 days, I'm not sure. By the way, the light bits in my hair are not bleached. Well, they are bleached, but just by the sun. So obviously, as you know, I have been in the Caribbean for a few months, so my hair has actually been sun bleached, which is actually really good because it's like a free color. So that's good. Anyway, so if you are interested to find out how I refresh my wash and goes and how I sleep at night, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I preserve my hair at night, and I'm gonna show you kind of in reverse, I guess, because it's the morning, obviously. Well, not obviously, but I'm wearing my silk bonnet now, so it is the morning and I slept like this. So I'm gonna show you what's underneath. So yeah, I sleep in the silk bonnet and I also have a silk pillowcase as well. My hair's gonna look crazy under here. Yeah. So I have 3 sections and they're loosely tied in hair ties. I don't tie the band around twice, I just like put the hair in a band and then just leave it because I don't want to ruin the curl pattern too much or like leave an indent in the hair. So yeah, so I take these out, and also I don't want to cause any breakage either, and the bands are just that size. Then I'm gonna give my scalp a bit of a scratch. So now the bands are out, I'm just going to actually, before I start touching my hair, I'm gonna use some of this, and this is the MAUI Moisture Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist. And it's just a really lightweight mist. So I just spray that like onto my hand and then I'll rub it in, and then I can manipulate my hair without causing any frizz. And I'm just gonna pull out my hair so that I get rid of the sections that I had it in. And this is day 3 hair, so it's not really holding up that well actually. I did a wash and go 3 days ago and I used a product that I haven't actually used for a wash and go before, which I'll show you in a minute because I'm actually going to use more of it to refresh it. But yeah, there are other products that give me a longer lasting hold. So I'm just really manipulating it just to get rid of the parts and the sections and to fluff it out a bit. And giving it a shake always helps. And I've been having a middle part with my wash and goes at the moment because, well, I don't know why. No, well, I don't know why. I feel like my hair is too short for a side part because I end up getting like one really big bit that kind of sticks up and then a tiny little bit that comes down. So I think a middle part looks better with my hair at this length. I think when it gets a bit longer, then I'll go back to a side part. Right, so I'm gonna mist my hair with this, and this is just my homemade refresher, and all that's in it is water, leave-in conditioner, argan oil, a bit of gel. I put in the Camille Rose curl maker in this one, but you can use any gel. That's just the gel I had to hand at the time. And there's one more thing, oh yeah, an aloe vera gel as well. So that's just a mixture of all those things, and you can use any brand of leave-in conditioner that you like as well. And just make sure you shake it up every time you use it to make sure everything's mixed in. And then I'm just gonna mist my hair just to dampen it, not saturate it, just dampen it. There you go. And I'm gonna, again, just run my fingers through to make sure that's through my hair. And this just adds some moisture back into the hair. I'm going to add a little bit more. And now I'm gonna tackle the frizzy areas. So there are areas that have just got a bit frizzy over the last couple of days and I need to redefine them. So I'm just gonna use the same product that I did the wash and go with. So I use different products for my wash and go, but whatever product you used, you should then go back with the same product to refresh it where possible, because I think just keeping the same products in your hair will help to reduce flaking and things like that. So I used this. It's the As I Am Curling Jelly Coil and Curl Definer, and it was the first time I actually used this for a wash and go. As I said, it didn't hold up that well, to be honest. This is only day 3, and last time I used Eco Styler Gel, the black castor oil one, and that one lasted a whole week really. This one's like struggling after 3 days, so yeah, I might do a review on some gels and products for wash and goes actually. So this gel is kind of very wet, so you have to dip your fingers in. I'm just gonna get a bit of the product and just go into like the frizzy areas and just re-curl them around my fingers. So there's a frizzy bit here. I'm just gonna grab it. And the other side as well. These front bits always are the first to get frizzy. And then I'm just gonna grab some bits on the top that still look a bit frizzy. Now the other side. So there you go, I've just done a few pieces. You don't really need to do many, just to get a bit of definition back. There will always be some frizzy parts, but I don't mind that because it just means I get more volume and my volume increases throughout the week, which is a good thing. I'm gonna go back in with this oil as well actually. So yeah, I'm gonna go back in with this Maui Moisture Oil and I'm gonna spray it over my whole head just to add some shine as well. And then scrunch with my fingers. And that is it. So pretty simple, only took me about 5 to 10 minutes, and now my style is refreshed for another day. So I hope you found the video useful and you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.